on va apprendre l'adjectif démonstratif aujourd'hui. C'est quoi l'adjectif démonstratif? On va voir. I'll give you example of all the demonstrative adjectives. Let's see. Sir, garçon, set, set, fille, ou horloge, c'est, gomme. Can you see? These are adjective demonstrative. Any kind of adjective we are always writing with a noun. Très bien. Okay, so any type of adjective is always written with a noun. Can you see the difference? Garçon, ce, masculin. Homme, set, C-T. Homme, can you see? Starts with a vowel. So set, homme. The next one, can you see I've given two examples here. Feminine and a word that starts with a vowel and feminine. So feminine and feminine vowel. So what is that? Set. And for gomme, say. So what are adjective demonstrative? Sir, set, say. So you need to see the noun with which you are writing demonstrative adjective. Okay? Ce garçon est petit. So this boy is small. Okay? And say gomme sont rose. So these erasers are pink. Okay, on va commencer avec les questions. We're going to start with a question. Complétez avec. You can also keep writing in your notebook. Adjective demonstrative. So I'm going to give you a few examples wherein we'll see which demonstrative adjective is going to come with the noun. So let's see. First, livre. Then I'll give you a few words. Trousse. Then we have pays, maison. Then fleur. Then we can write bébé, étudiante, étudiante. Then we can write moi, then dictionnaire, and the last word that I'm taking is croix. So can you see I have written a set of words here, 10 nouns with which you need to write adjective demonstrative. Now what you can do is note down the question, pause this video, write the answers and come back and check your answers. So let's see. Dash livre. For this kind of question, it's very important that you know the gender of the noun. That plays a very, very important role. So livre, what is the gender of livre? Set ou ce? Ce. Très bien. Ce, livre. So you can put a star whenever it's an exception. Let's move on to the next one. Dash trousse. Trousse. Ending with an E. Féminin. Très bien. Set. Pays. Now there are a few words in French. I've already covered this in one of my videos. You can go and check out that video. There are a few words that already end with an S. We are not making it plural. They already ended with an S. So we need to treat those words as singular words. Okay. So pays. Instead of say pays, ce pays. This country. Ce pays. Okay. On va continuer. Dash maison. Maison. Again, it's an exception. You can put a star. So, set maison doesn't end with an E, but feminine. The next one, fleur. Again, same category, exception. So, exception plays a very, very important role. Set fleur. Let's move on to the next one, bébé. So, bébé also, it's a word that already ends with an E, but you need to treat this word as masculine. So, the answer will be ce bébé. Très bien. Ce bébé. This baby. Next one. Étudiante. Étudiante. Can you say which one we are going to write for étudiante? Cette étudiante? Cette étudiante ou cette étudiante? Which one? Masculine, féminin? So we need to see féminin. If the word is feminine, then you need to write the feminine one. So it will be cette étudiante. Next one, moi. Again, this kind of word. Already ending with an S, but singular. So, ce, moi. Ce mois, this month. Let's move to the next word. Tâche fictionnaire. Again, exception. So, ce. Not set, ce. It's an exception. And the last word on the list is croix. Is it ce croix, cette croix? Masculine, féminin? Yes, it is an exception again. So, cette croix. If you know the exceptions, this question will be absolutely correct. So keep noting down the exceptions and keep revising this topic. Till then, I'm going to see you in the next video. Au revoir.